Hi everyone, I just wanted to send you a quick video announcement about the exam. So don't forget, you have exam one due tomorrow night by the end of the day, midnight. And it's a 2-hour exam, so you need to, you really should not start any later than 9:30. I'm not sure what your plan is, but I just wanted to reach out and let you know that. You need some time to get the sign-in process correct with Honor Lock, etc. And as far as making sure you're ready for the exam, just remember that what I need you to focus on when studying for the exam is quizzes 1 and 2. So if you go to modules and you go to your My Lab Math Gradebook, okay? Here, now mine won't show anything. Well, I played with homework 1 showing somebody something, but the bottom line is you would have all the assignments that you've worked on here, and then you can hit this review button. So review quizzes 1 and 2. Now remember, the exam comes directly off of quizzes 1 and 2, so there should be no surprises on the exam. All right, so the bottom line is that's what you do. Review quizzes 1 and 2, get yourself organized, get your notebook organized. It's open book, open notes. You can make yourself a cheat sheet if you want. Some people do that and it helps them when they're studying, and then it also helps them not having to flip through pages for things they knew they were going to have to look up. So if you have to know of anything that you know you're going to look up, then you probably want to get that on a cheat sheet right in front of you, or tab your notebook or whatever you're doing to get yourself organized. And then the bottom line also that I really, really want you to do is to make sure that you show me your work. So use as much scratch paper as you want. Show me your work, because I go through everybody's exam individually and I look for more partial credit. My math lab does a real bad job of assigning partial credit. It's kind of all or nothing. So that's not the important point. The right answer is not the important point. The understanding how to do it's way more important. So you get a lot of partial credit if you show me your work and you knew what you were doing. You just happened to enter the wrong answer. Okay, so I just wanted to remind you of those things. I know I've written them. I've even said them during the introductory interviews, etc. But I just want to remind you of those things so when you're getting ready for the exam that you do everything you need to do. And lastly, don't hesitate to reach out. Ask for help if you have any questions as you're preparing or as you're starting work on this week's homework, on this week's assignments as well. Okay, talk to you soon, I hope. Take care, bye.